Yeah, that's
There we
it.
go.
Looks a little bit lumpy.
Hey.
Too lumpy.
Lumpy.
Yes, I remember worrying a bit about your very large nuts. Mainly because
Negative. So what are these?
Florentines?
Florentines?
Yeah.
For quarantine?
Yeah, Florentines for quarantine.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this one.
No!
Oh! Why can't I choose that one?
Just choose one of these.
Okay,
Pick a,
this one.
oh, yeah.
Let's see if there's a snap. No
No
snap.
snap.
Just a bend. Very chewy,
I could have baked it a little bit longer.
but I'm getting some surprises in my mouth. Nutty. You used almonds. It's almost fruity, but it's not. What'd you do?
It says orange zest.
Ah, orange zest.
It's a flavor in there that isn't normally in a Florentine because I didn't have
Coconut.
I had to use coconut milk because it didn't
Coconut.
have heavy whipping cream.
Coconut. It's good. It's good. I like them. They're fun.